Welcome back. The sarpanches in Salcete have resolved to give a memorandum to Panchayat Minister Laximikant Parsekar demanding powers to act in Gramsabhas. They said Gramsabhas are not held according to the law. 22 sarpanches were present for the meeting held on Friday in Margaon.
Issue घेतलो म्हणटा तो पंचायताक पावर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रमाणे मेळपा जाय आनी जे आसा तेजे डिमांड करपाक आनी हे पावर दिता आसतना सरकाराक जे एक्ट आमचे 1994चे आसा ते एक्टाचेर अमेंडमेंट तर सरकार करपाचो प्रयत्न तर करता जरी तर सरकाराचे हे एक्ट बदली करपाचो अमेंड करपाचो विचार आसा जाल्यार तेजेर कसो बरी बदली हाडचो आनी तो बदली हाडटा आसतना आमकां सगळे सरपंचाक इलेक्टेड पंचायत मेंबर्स आसात तांकां सगळ्यांक कॉन्फिडंटान घेवन तांकां तेचे विचार घेवन हेजेर अमेंडमेंट करचो हेजेर आमची मागणी आसा.
NEET pass-out candidates for PG medical and dental courses whose admissions have been cancelled by the state government have issued legal notice to the Goa government for contempt of Supreme Court's order. Candidates have contended that state government is not restoring their admissions even after the Supreme Court's direction.
The Dean of Goa Dental College, Dean of Goa Medical College B.N. Jindal, to Health Minister Laximikant Parsekar, to Dattaram Sardesai Additional Secretary and to Manor Parikar Chief Minister. We already served them legal notice.
This evening we have served them the legal notice.
Before coming here we have served them and we have come.
Petitioner candidate before the Supreme Court Anish Lawande has questioned state government's decision to opt for NEET selectively for undergraduate medical and dental courses and not considering NEET for the postgraduate courses.
After the Supreme Court verdict, when all the provisional admissions across the country became confirmed, the state government of Goa decided to take a U-turn by terminating the students already admitted through NEET PG without tampering with the admissions done through NEET UG. Mr. Manor Parikar has been repeatedly stating that the decision has been taken since Supreme Court has quashed the NEET PG. We would like to question him that since the verdict was both for NEET UG as well as NEET PG, where does this question come of having two different stands on the same issue?
NEET pass-out candidates said that government is favouring MBBS pass-out candidates and using all the tricks not to restore their admissions.
We were put in such a situation at the last moment by a state government that even after competing with lakhs of All India students and emerging meritorious, we were left with neither an All India seat nor a state quota seat just because the state government had to protect the interests of a few local personal students.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.